everyone. Today I want to talk about an existing journey we are embarking on in the realm of fashion, driven by remarkable capabilities of AI. So this journey is about leveraging technology and creating a seamless, personalized and innovative service process that caters to every segment of our driver customer base. So from fashion enthusiasts to budget conscious shoppers, our AI-driven initiatives are set to redefine the fashion landscape. So at the outlet, AI is transforming design conceptualization and development. So by analyzing trends, consumer preferences and historical data, AI aids in creating design that not only meet current fashion sensibles but predict future trends. So this ensures our offerings are always ahead of the curve, appealing to the fashion-forward youth and professional alike. So we are also focused on material sourcing and procurement. So companies can optimize their material sourcing and procurement processes through AI by ensuring sustainability and ethical practices that resonate with our eco-conscious consumers. So AI's predictive analytics help to streamline supply chain operations, ensuring the suitable material are procured at the right time, hence reducing waste and enhancing efficiency. So next we focus on pattern making and sampling. So AI-driven pattern making and sampling automation allow for rapid prototyping by enabling customization at scale. So this is particularly beneficial for specialized segments, which includes plus-size fashion consumers and those seeking gender-neutral fashions by ensuring inclusivity and diversity in our offerings. So we also focused on garment production and manufacturing. So in garment production, AI-enhanced robotics and automation technologies which increase precision and efficiency. So this speed up the manufacturing process and ensure high quality output by meeting the expectation of luxury consumers and those demanding high standards. So next is we focused on quality control and assurance. So AI systems are deployed for quality controls utilizing visual inspection systems to identify defects that human eye might miss. So this rigorous quality assurance process ensures that our products meet the high standards expected by our customers, from luxury shoppers to budget conscious individuals. Next is branding and marketing. So AI's deep learning capabilities bolster our branding and marketing strategies, enabling us to create personalized campaigns. So analyzing consumer data, AI helps to tailor the messaging to resonate with diverse groups, from sustainable fashion advocates to casual shoppers, that ensure relevance and engagement. So we also focused on retail merchandising and display. So in retail merchandising, AI-driven analytics optimize product placement and inventory levels, which enhance the shopping experience for every consumer segment. So this ensures that whether our customers are athleisure enthusiasts or casual shoppers, they find exactly what they need. So next is AI chatbots. So AI chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 customer services, offering personalized recommendations and support. So this level of service is crucial for maintaining the high satisfaction level expected by our diverse clients, for those seeking luxury experience to those requiring quick, budget-friendly fashion solutions. So our e-commerce solution platform leverage AI to provide a seamless, personalized shopping experience, from virtual search capabilities to virtual try-ons. So this appeals to digital savvy segments, including fashion-forward youth and professionals who value convenience and customization. Finally, AI is reimagining how we present our collection to the world. So virtual and augmented reality fashion shows offer an immersive experience, attracting a global audience and making fashion more accessible to everyone, from luxury consumers to sustainable fashion advocates. So in conclusion, as we navigate this transformative journey with AI, our focus remains steadfast on meeting the diverse needs of our customer segment. So by embracing AI across our service processes, we are not just innovating for the sake of technology, but enhancing every aspect of our engagement with the fashion world. Thank you.